Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off spatial audio on Audible so that you can listen to and download audiobooks in Dolby Atmos. And if this video has been helpful, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's get into it. I am on the iPhone app for Audible, but it's the exact same for Android. So go down to the bottom right that says Profile, click in there, and then go up to the top right gear icon, and then you can see the third option down says Spatial Audio. Stream and download titles in Dolby Atmos when available in the app. And it's currently toggled on, but you can also toggle it off. And then if you want to turn it back on, just toggle it and it turns green. And that means that Dolby Atmos is turned on, spatial audio is turned on. And then from there, underneath it does say visit our help center for tips and support on how to use this. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks very much.